Another little tip on maintenance while you're stuck at home. During construction, we cover all these vents, but as you can tell when you look at the corner over here, there's always a little bit of dust and debris that can get in there. We clean all that out during construction cleaning, take everything out of there. But the same exact thing happens when you're at home and you got, I'll use my grandkids for example, 4 little kids running around the house 100 miles an hour. They can't get out in the neighborhood and play like they used to. So why not pop that vent off of that, take your vacuum cleaner, clean those out, take a wet cloth, wipe it out. You'll pull all the dust out of it, make your air a lot cleaner. Gives you something to do, and it teaches the children that you should keep things clean. It keeps the air clean, and especially in this time, it's a good time to let people know that it's good to tidy up. We used to do what was called spring cleaning, so let's get back into it.